This is a withdrawal made on this particular website. You can check the date here. But guys, this is not a withdrawal sample for you to go ahead and say you want to make all the monies. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to make millions on this website. That's a disclaimer. I'm only saying that you can do little tags and make some bucks from this website. Every video I post here is just a means of entertainment. All right, I see something out there, I bring you it here for you to test it and then see how you can make money from it. So let's go on to the tutorial. I want to show you how you can make money by just doing little tags for a particular website. All right, you're just going to hit on this register a new. Now this website gives you email that you can register. So when you register one email, they pay you from 14 cents to 17 cents. So imagine you can register 10 email in a day. There's no way you will not be making some bucks from this website. All right, when you hit on register new, this register, look at the information, register Gmail using the specified data and get from 14 cents to 17 cents. The first name is there that you use for the email. The last name, there's nothing there. Then the email they gave to you is already there. Then they will give you a password that you use to register this email. So it is very simple and straightforward. So immediately you're done with this registration, you're going to come back here and hit on this button here that is said done. When you hit on it, it's going to tell you, is there 2FA added to the account? If it's yes, you hit on it, you're going to be paid 17 cents. But if you don't have add 2FA, just hit on complete and you're going to be paid 14 cents. Right now the money will be sent into your account here. So if I hit on this register a new Gmail, the same thing is going to happen. You can do these tasks over and over and over. Now the earning now depends on you. If you can do 100 a day, you're going to earn more, right? If you can do 10 a day, you're going to earn more. There's no how you do 10 a day that you're not going to earn more than somebody that is doing just one daily. All right, so when you're done, like I said, you hit on what done. It's still going to ask you the same question: 2FA or without 2FA, $17 for 2FA. Without 2FA, you are getting $14. That is two-factor authenticator. You are adding it to the email. If you are doing that, you are getting 17 cents. If you are not doing that, you're getting 14 cents. All right, so now we are going to check on how you are going to maybe check for your balance to see what you have there. So for you to check for your balance, you hit on balance, and then if you want to see how you get paid, right, after hit on balance, you now hit on payout. So if you hit on payout, look at ways you can withdraw your money. So from CryptoBot, you can withdraw, minimum is $1. Add cash, you can withdraw, minimum is 15 cents. Then for Theta, you're withdrawing 0.09 cent. For Tron, you're withdrawing 30 cent minimum. Litecoin, you're withdrawing 0.05 cent, right? Bitcoin Cash, you're withdrawing 14 cents. All right, so it is said that you can actually earn from this particular website. I will leave the link for you to sign up in the comment section, or probably check the description of this video for you to sign up, right? And don't forget, guys, I'm also leaving the link to my community channel, right? So in case you want more update, join, and don't forget to subscribe.